What's happening? Welcome to my 2022 Mercedes Sprinter Van 170, built by my friends at TOURIG, brought to you by Wild Mike's Ultimate Pizza. And that is Mariah Carey. So I just wanted to talk about TOURIG real quick, which did the entire build of the van. My good friend Eric Miller, that I've known forever, he started TOURIG with his good friend, and they built some of the best vans in the world. And matter of fact, I just was doing a ton of research on Sprinter vans, and I found the Bruce Banner van. I tried to duplicate that as best I could and have something aggressive, and TOURIG just hit a grand slam, and they were unbelievably easy to work with and truly the best van builders in the United States. So I really quickly wanted to highlight all the contributors of the van. Everybody chipped in and made this van incredible. Nomadic Cooling Co., Dometic Outdoor, Scheelman, Agile Offroad, Victron Energy, AM Solar, MaxxAir, Aqua Hot, Suburban, Pathfinder Off-Road Lighting, AM Auto, Zamp Solar, and then Yokohama Tires and Black Rhino rims. We're in beautiful Mount Hood, Oregon at Timberline Lodge, and we have beautiful views and sunny skies, so we're gonna give you a super cool rundown of the van right now. So this is a Backwoods grill. I just was super attracted to their brand, and also their products are just really tough and they look great on the Mercedes Sprinter van. So I went with this bigger grill, and they put in these Pathfinder lights. The combination between Pathfinder and Backwoods has just been great. I went with Agile Offroad for a lift kit. This is truly the best vehicle I've ever had in the snow, and I've been driving in the snow for 30 years. A big part of that is these Geolandar MT Yokohama tires. I had Liberty Tire and Glass stud these tires for me, and I've never slid, and I've been in pretty sketchy conditions. I also have classic Black Rhino van life rims. I keep a full spare. I have a generator box from Agile Offroad. I keep a little Honda generator that I plug into a pizza oven when we're making Wild Mike's Ultimate Pizza at events, or when we're personally just want the best pizza in the world. Down here I have our Backwoods bumper with Pathfinder rear lights that I can use to light things up when I'm backing my sled trailer in. Really great backup setup. I went with this really durable and heavy-duty Backwoods ladder and roof rack. My Nomadic cooling system and my solar and my MaxxAir fan is up here. Still a ton of room on the van, and really just looks great. Heyo! This is AM Auto. Truly the best van windows in the game. I can attest, driving this thing for the last 2 years. The van stays super warm, but it's also really convenient to be able to hand stuff in and out of the window or use the bug guard here. Just all around badass windows. Best in the game. So this is my favorite part of the van. This is my garage, as I called it. I keep my lawn chairs, a Ukiah fire pit, best fire pits on the market. Because the TOURIG guys are van users themselves, they've come up with all sorts of really cool systems. And they have this hexagon system underneath here. Really efficient, and just love this little area to haul all our stuff in the wintertime and in the summer. TOURIG has these super badass bags. I keep my power in here if there's RV hookups, which is awesome. I have another bag here that has my Aqua Hot shower plug-in, and then also the hookup for my air compressor if I ever need air or have a flat tire. TOURIG makes these awesome roll-down nets that you can completely close up. Keeps the dogs inside, keeps the bugs outside. We like to keep the doors open if we're camped near the river or the ocean and we can hear things, but in the summertime, this is a must-have. So this is the Aqua Hot system I have here. It goes all the way down, so I'm able to hold 40 gallons. We've never run out of water. Keeps the van super warm in the wintertime. I can also take outdoor showers in the summertime. It's just incredible. This is the good stuff. This is the main power of the entire van. AM Solar put this together. using Victron Energy Blue Power, and we've been on backcountry trips for multiple days on end. We've used it at a bunch of events during the summertime. Honestly, we've never run out of power. It's really badass. Go inside where it's warm. Get the little puppy. Get up. Come on, baby. Whoa. So this is my favorite part about van life, is having the swivels turned. I have these awesome seats from Shielman USA. They're orthopedic seats for long drives. Incredibly comfortable. I went with 3 seats so I can have a guest cruising with us. Total game changer from your standard seats that you'll get in a Sprinter van. So down below the passenger seat is my diesel heater, and it is incredibly efficient. It plugs right into my fuel line. Really great after a day of snowboarding. It really truly keeps the van incredibly toasty. So this is a little potty by Dometic. I didn't want to build a bathroom in my van. I didn't want to utilize that space, and really efficient, super easy to clean. Especially on really cold nights when we're snow camping. This works out great. Tourig actually makes great gear bags, but unfortunately they weren't ready when I was building my van out. So I went with these Adventure Wagon gear bags, which are super efficient. I keep a ton of stuff in them. This is more my kitchen stuff and dishes. Keep snow gear in here, and also just clothing when we're traveling. There's tons of these awesome nets underneath here. This cute little Louis Vuitton jacket for Mariah, which is really nice. So what's super cool about these is I can actually move them around. Tourig put in all these L tracks throughout the entire van. And so if I want to move the gear bags around, I can move them from either side, or I can spread them out if I want to. But tons of efficiency, a lot of different little ways that you can utilize space. So this is where I operate all my power and water and heat. It's just really cool because you can see where your power and energy lies, and how much water you have, and it's the real control center for the whole van. So this is my little kitchenette. I have a sink here. It's really cool. Can do dishes in here. We use this a lot. And then this is my favorite part, is the Suburban cooktop. I make coffee in here almost every morning that we go camping. Super easy to use, and just a really cool countertop. Tons of space under here for dishes and anything that I need. So this bad mama jamma right here is the Nomadic cooling system, and it is so cool. Keeps this thing super cool on hot summer nights. It is an incredible air conditioning system. It's also really efficient, even when it's 100 degrees outside. So I can't say enough good stuff about the Nomadic cooling system. So this is my Dometic CFX cooler refrigerator, and it is awesome. We use it every single day that we're in the van, and it is always filled with beer and Wild Mike's Ultimate Pizza. So one other thing that's really cool about the Dometic cooler fridge is that there's texture on the top, because we actually use this as a step to get up into our bed. So I have all these lights that Tourig put in, and they're really cool because you can utilize them individually, and they're just super cool, really efficient. You can keep them on all night if you need to, yeah, really love having these around the van. So this is the MaxxAir system that I have here, all controlled by remote. It pulls air in or it pushes air out. It also has a really nice sound. If you like sleeping with a fan, it's like the ultimate cozy setup. And this is our bed. We sleep so good in here, it's crazy. Sometimes I think we sleep better in the van. All right, this is me signing off from Timberline Lodge on Mount Hood. This is my 2022 Mercedes Sprinter Van 170, built by the good folks at Tourig in Golden, Colorado. And I want to thank all the people that contributed to helping make this vision come to life. Thanks for watching.